Okay, hey, I'll be showing you how to refill your zippo and how to change the flint. Okay, so to refill it, you gotta just take your zippo and take lighter fluid. Okay. Here, I'm gonna take a pencil like I have right now, or anything, just to pop it up. Yeah. Take your fluid. Sorry, one sec. We'll take it. Pour it in. When you're done, put it back like that. Take your zippo, just put it back in. That's how you refill it. This is basically flint that you buy. I got it for $2. You're gonna take your zippo. You're gonna unscrew that, and then so basically you're just gonna unscrew that, and you're gonna take one of these, like here, put into the mechanism thing, and then and then you just take one out. When you unscrew that, there's like a spring in there, and you just put the flint inside, and then just close it back up, and then the flint is that black piece right under there. Okay. Another thing is sometimes people, just because there's no more wick on the top, they think, oh, they have to buy a new wick, but no, you actually have about like this much wick in there, so you just pull a bit out. So you just take pliers or whatever and just pull it out and then cut off the top from here, from the chimney thing, and then you're good. Alright. Thanks for watching.